Hello, welcome to Numi's Crochet Book. Today we are going to learn the basic stitches of crocheting. So come, let's get started. So here I am taking 4-ply yarn. I am taking 3.5 mm hook, and you will be needing a scissors. Now first you have to take the tail end of the yarn. This is the yarn, and tail end means the beginning point of the yarn. See, this is the tail end. You have to take this. Now we are going to do the slip knot. Slip knot is a basic knot. So for doing that, take the tail end, wrap it around both your fingers to form an X shape. This is an X shape. Now gently pull the tail end through the loop formed like this, and gently and slowly pull the tail end to tighten the knot like this. You should be careful while doing the slip knot. Like, if you want to undo this, you can pull it from both the ends like this, and you can undo it neatly. Common mistake which beginners have to be careful is when they form an X shape like this, wrapping around both fingers and forming an X shape, and while taking out of the loop, taking the tail end out of the loop, instead of pulling both threads, they'll be pulling like this, which will end in a knot. This is not a slip knot, this is a knot. Like, see, if we pull the both ends, you won't be able to remove it. So be careful while working. I'll repeat it once more. Take the tail end and wrap the working yarn to form an X shape, and take the tail end out of the loop slowly, and gently pull the tail end to tighten the knot like this. You have to be careful. This slip knot should not be too loose like this, not too tight like this. While you place the needle, there should be a small gap in between. Okay. Now let's see how to hold the needle. There are two methods of holding the needle. One is the knife method, like how we hold a knife and work on it. Second one is the pencil hold, like how we hold a pencil and work. Here you have to be practicing which method is comfortable for you, and you can work on it. Here I am moving on with the pencil hold method. Now to wrap the working yarn, first you have to pinch near the slip knot, wrap around your middle finger and hold it with the other two fingers like this. Tail end should be left out like this. Once more, pinch near the slip knot, wrap around your middle finger and hold it with your other two fingers. Now first stitch we are going to do is the chain stitch. Chain stitch is the basic stitch. I am going to do with the pencil hold method. Pinch near the slip knot, wrap the working yarn. This is the working yarn. Wrap the working yarn and pull it through the loop. The needle should be facing towards us and not the opposite direction. Once more, wrap the yarn and gently pull it through the loop like this. While doing the chain stitch, move your fingers gently upwards. It gives a support while doing. Like wrap the yarn and bring it through the loop. Once more, wrap the yarn and bring it through the loop. Wrap the yarn and bring it through the loop. Wrap the yarn, bring it through the loop. The yarn. See, this is chain stitch. Now keep on practicing the stitch until we meet with the next stitches in my next episode. In my next episode, I will be showing you how to do the single crochet and the double crochet. Until then, bye bye.